Hey everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lead Chess trying to figure out a couple of these chess puzzles and have fun doing it. So, what do we got going on today with the chess world? We've got not much in the chess world, but we got stuff going on this chess puzzle. Alright, we've got a couple of options here. Queen, not really an option. Pawn, that's an option. Kind of, he would just take with his queen. Rook, that's an option. Bishop, that's an option. Bishop back, it's not an option. So we got to protect this bishop. And we've got two rooks here. And the material is, they're up a piece. Alright, so I got to see, are we winning back material here? Yeah, looks like it. If they take the rook, if they take the bishop, yep. I don't know. Nope. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Okay, if you want to pause the video here, I'm just going to give it a try. There we go. That's one part of it. They take, because if they would have taken with their rook, taken the bishop, then I would have taken their rook. And so I get the bishop, but then my bishop, my rook has to really guard that. What would they do? Just come in with the queen? Put the queen to c7? Possibly. And then I'd need to back it up with my queen or my rook, or my bishop rather. Alright, let's do another one. Let's see if we can figure this one out quick. In 30 seconds to a minute, we are down material. So they're up an extra bishop. So I gotta see where the mate is, possibly, or winning back material. Maybe that's it. Okay, so that's not it because the bishop can't go there because of the queen, because of their queen. Taking here, I would lose my rook to the pawn, but taking here, I think I'm going with that one, or taking here. Let's see, and the best option I'm going with, well, didn't see their other bishop right there, so they would just take with the other bishop. That would be losing. It's like the board sometimes is so small, but it's so big at the same time that you miss some of the most obvious things. I feel like I do that a lot. Lots going on. Or here. That's an option. Is the queen out of spots? The queen has plenty of places to go. Or if I did go here, and then here, check. And then they would move. No, I couldn't go here because of their bishop. Or here, I can go here. But their queen is there. So if they did leave it, alright, I'm going to give it a shot. Yep. And, well, that was interesting. Alright, I thought that might happen. I thought the queen was going to go somewhere else, but I think they were thinking that was going to be a possible checkmate situation. One more. And my rook is pinned because of my bishop behind it. That's actually called skewered. No, that's called pinned. Skewered is where, that's a different one. I like it though. Skewered is where let's say I had my bishop on this side and the king, and then I would take their, I'll go over a skewered position another day. Maybe here. No, oh, maybe here. No, check. No protection. Check here. Lose it. Check here. Lose it. Material is even in this position. So what? What does it all mean? Oh, go here. Yep, that looks like it's it. All right. If you want to pause the video. Boom. Oh, come on. They were going to take with their knight. And then I was going to take... Why was I thinking this bishop was a rook? Oh my goodness. Some days, everybody, just... It can't be this. It is that. Of course it is. Of course it's that. Should have gotten that. Why wouldn't they just take with their... Oh, because if they take with their pawn, then I take their rook. So either way, they would be losing. All right, well, I learned a little bit on that last one. I hope you did too. You know, take 30 seconds to a minute. Try to figure out these puzzles. Lead Chess is awesome because it has so many puzzles you can go through. And to do, this is on the iPad app, which is great. And if you like it, you can like it, like it, or subscribe. Subscribe. All right, if not, that's cool. And have a good day. Rest of your day.